Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. A very important update about what is the expected exam date for NEET PG 2021. The NEET PG 2021 exam that was supposed to happen on 18th of April got postponed. Now when the exam will happen? Okay, so that's important questions for in the mind of every NEET PG 2021 aspirant, and how the cut-off score will get impacted due to this postponement of exam, and how to proceed. Do you need to change the strategy or anything? So we'll discuss all these things in this video in short, and I urge you to take a break in your preparation of like couple of days. That will definitely boost up your energy. If you were if you're in mindset to give exam, to take exam on 18th, then definitely you can relax and get some fresh air and start preparation after a couple of days with the same energy, because you have to live with the decision, and the exam is not going to happen in next 30 days, because as per the expert, the COVID-19 second wave is worse than first one, and it's going to be the same at the same pace for at least next 30 days. So we are expecting the exam to happen in the last week of May or in the first week of June, not before that, or most probably it will happen in the month of June only, which was supposed to be our exam result date. So that's about the exam result date and how is going to impact the cutoff. So definitely it will impact the cutoff that we were expecting for general category around 200 to 215 or 220. Now it will increase by 5-10 marks, 230, maybe 235 as well at max, because you got more time for preparation and the score will be high. You have got also mock test available, so you can take up that to see the pattern of exam and what are the options available for each and every questions. I have created a separate video, and how to proceed now for your preparation. So preparation strategy you don't have to change, just you have to take some break so that you are in correct frame of mindset and you keep with the same strategy that you have been following. You don't have to change. What new thing you can include? If you have missed a particular subject which you wanted to cover due to lack of time, now you have got the time, you might include those subjects, so that in the examination you are able to take up more questions. It is a 25% negative marking questions pattern, so it's not wise decision to attempt only those questions which you are very sure about. You can attempt those questions also where you want, where you know to exclude some of the options, one option or two options. Okay, that will help you increase some score, and even 1 mark can change your rank by thousands. So remember those things. Okay, so that's it from my side in this video. If you have any question, or if you want to take our help in counseling services, you can call us for the paid counseling services on 931912X777. In the description of the video I have given Telegram group, you can join it, and there are ebooks for Open State, deemed universities and DNV, how you can so by downloading or purchasing those ebooks, you can get to know about all the details from last year cutoff, tuition fee, and all the list of hospitals, colleges, rank wise. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye, take care.